Cuisinart. Technology with taste. Making delicious, fresh, homemade soups is now easier than ever with the unique Cuisinart soup maker. This amazing appliance is the only blender on the market that cooks as well as blends. It truly does it all: sautéing, boiling, simmering and blending, making perfect fresh soup every time. Engineered to the high quality for which Cuisinart's products are renowned, the soup maker is built from rugged, durable materials, is designed for professional use and is guaranteed for 3 years. And this amazing product doesn't just do soups, you can use it to make sauces, dips, smoothies, even crush ice. To start, simply switch on the soup maker, then set your cooking time to between 20 and 30 minutes depending on your recipe, and set it to a low heat. After adding a little oil or butter, begin frying your base ingredients, such as onion and garlic, on the soup maker's special non-stick cooking plate. Then add any other ingredient that needs frying. With the stir function, you can mix the ingredients thoroughly to ensure even cooking throughout. And you can use the stir button any time during the cooking process. After a few minutes frying, add the remaining vegetables and stock, pouring to the required volume. Then switch the heat from low to high. After 2 or 3 minutes, the soup will be boiling, at which point you can stir again briefly before switching to simmer mode. Then leave the soup maker to continue simmering for 10 minutes until your soup is cooked and ready to blend. When the soup's cooked, the soup maker emits 5 beeps to let you know it's ready. All that remains is to blend the soup to your desired consistency. And serve straight into the bowl. Whether you're looking for a light Mediterranean soup in the summer or a thick, hearty winter warmer, now you can enjoy delicious, nutritious, hassle-free soups all year round with the Cuisinart soup maker. Cook, blend, serve. Simple. Cuisinart. Technology with taste.